Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant known for its immune-boosting properties. It may help support the immune system and provide some relief from respiratory symptoms, such as congestion. Drinking warm lemon water might help soothe a sore throat and provide a bit of relief from coughing. The citrus aroma of lemon can also have a refreshing and uplifting effect on the senses. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce irritation in the throat and airways. Drinking warm water with honey or adding honey to herbal teas can provide relief from coughing and may help alleviate some respiratory discomfort. Cloves contain compounds with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. The eugenol present in cloves is believed to help open up the airways and provide relief from congestion. Cloves have been used in traditional remedies to help alleviate respiratory symptoms, but their effectiveness can vary from person to person. Ingredients: lemon, honey, cloves.